This drawing now, if you want to draw this drawing, it's a very easy task to do. So what's the first task to do? I'll try to draw out this line you are seeing, right? I'll draw it out first. So this is my t-square here. So I'll place my set square on my t-square this way, and um, I'll draw a vertical line, so a straight line this way, right? I'll draw a straight line this way. As you can see, this straight line here signifies that straight line you are seeing here. I'm done with this. Perhaps to get the center here, I can just draw any line of my choice, horizontal line. So I'll take my t-square. I'll just draw a horizontal line this way. This center here is that center you are seeing here, right? This center here. Now here's the thing, this smaller circle here has a diameter of what? 25. In technical drawing, if you have the word diameter, you have to divide by 2 first. So divide 25 by 2, I'll have what? 12.2. If I divide 25 by 2, I have 12.5 per se, right? So I'll use my compass, right, and my ruler. This ruler, I'll measure 12.5. So 12.5. Hold on. So let's say this one is 0, for instance. Let me say this one is 0, for instance. So this 0, I'm going to 12.5. 12.5 means what? 1.2, right? So that's 12. This is 10, 11, 12. Someone here is 12, right? Someone here. So from here to here is 12, right? 0.5. So I'll take it this way. I'll center here. I'll draw a circle this way. This circle here is that circle you are seeing here, the smaller one. The bigger one has a diameter of 60. We said divided by 2 first. So 60 divided by 2 is what? 30. So measure 30. We said we assume that this one is 0. So this 0, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to 4. From 1 to 4 signifies what? 30. So I'll place it here at the center and draw that same arc. That same arc again this way. So this circle here is what I'm having here. I can see these two circles here. Now what's the next task here? Observe that they said from this line here you're seeing upward is what? 1, 2, 5. Abi? So I'll take my t-square. I'll take my t-square this way, right, and I'll extend this line upward very well, so I can measure that what? That from here down upward is what? 1 to 5. So measure 1 to 5. So we assume that 1 is 0. But measure 1 to 5. 1 to 5 means what? 12.5 centimeter, right? So 12. Usually this is 12.5. But it will be what? 13.5, because I'm starting with what? 0. My one is 0. So because what there? 13.5. So from here 13.5. So it is 12.5. But here, this is my rule I'm using. It will be what? 13.5. So this here. So this line here. So this tip you are seeing here is that center of that. There's one circle here too. See the circle you are seeing. So that tip, observe. So where this thing, this 1 to 5, where it reach here, this center here, there's another circle there. So this is center here. So I will take that center, observe, this way, down this way, right? Also I can extend this one down this way, and we know that from here to here is what there? 1, 2, 5, right? I'm done with that. Are you seeing that? So now come back to this point here. So here's the thing, this since I established this one is not proper. This is not the proposition. Observe that I have to move 15 to the right before I could establish that 6. You can see, so I have to move what? 15 to the right before I establish it. So I have to clean this off. This is a mistake, right? So here's the thing. So at this point here is that point at which this line you're seeing is this line here. But mind you, observe that this line you're seeing here is this line here, Abby. So also, since I've measured 1 to 5 upward, I also measure what? 85 upward too. From here to here is 85. So I'll measure 85 upward. From measure 85 upward, I should have 85. That's my 85 upward. This is my 85 upward. So here's the thing. I'll take this this I'll take I'll take I'll take this one. I'll take it down this way. Observe, take it down this way, right? So it means that from here to here is what? 85, as we said, as we see in the diagram, right? 85. So this is my 85 here, right? So no problem. I've gotten 125. I've gotten what? 85, right? This is just a rough sketch, right? Just to guide you. So I'm done with this. So what's the next task here? So note that this line you're seeing, where it meets here is this place here. I have to measure what? 15 here to get that circle that will be up. So measure 15 from here to here. 1.5 abi 15, 1.5. This is 10. This is 15 here, right? This is my 15. So that 15, I'll draw it up. I'll take 15 up this way. Hold on. I'll take 15 up this way, right? So it's at this point here, that circle you are seeing, this one will be drawn out. So I'll measure 6 because that circle has radius 6. Observe, radius 6. So I'll measure 6. 6, my compass here to here 6. So I'll take it to this point here. Now I'll draw the circle. I'll draw faint circle. Make sure it's faint first, not thickened, right? So I'm done with the circle. Observe that it's not complete. It's not a complete circle, but just draw it this way for a circle this way. Now when you are done with it, note that at that point, that 15 you measure, this 15 here, you measured like to the right this way. There's a particular point there. The circle of what? Radius 15. So at this point here, I'll draw a circle of what? Radius 15. So measure 15. Measure 15. Sorry. 15. This is 0. This is 10. 15 abi. So from here to here is 15. So at this center here, right, I'll place and draw a faint circle of 15. See the faint circle 15. Now when I'm not done with it, I'm told that this circle of radius 6, that is this one, and this circle of radius 15, that this one, they are linked together by a curve of what? R30. And this curve you are seeing is like a hungry stomach, like a pothole. So for a pothole I have to fill. It means that I'll add 30 plus 6, that's 30 sabi. So 30 plus 6 is 36. So I'll measure 36 first. 36, right? 36 here. I'll place at this 6 here and strike an arc this way. Observe. Sorry. I'll strike an arc this way, right? As you can see, this way. That's for I added that 30 with that 6. That's why I put my compass here. Let's add 30 with 15. That's what? 45. So I'll come here, measure 45, 45, right, and put the arc at the center of 15 here and cut it. Where they meet is at that point. I'll now gauge it. I'll gauge here to here. Observe. I'll do gauging. See, sorry, compass not working well. So I have this, the compass I'm using not working well, so that's why. So take it this way. I have to just draw the curve like this. So I have this, right, as you can see. So this curve is this curve here. I'm done with the curve. Also there's another curve here. Observe, there's a kind of curve here too. Now what I know is that this curve here, it has R25. It's easy. What do you do? What's the radius of this circle here? That's 15 abi. 15 plus 25 is what? That's 40. Right, that's 40. So this one circle here has radius of 15. This arc you are seeing is 25. So R25 plus that 15, I have what there? 40. So measure 40. Measure 40. Where's 40 there? Here to here is 40. So on my compass here, because I did that for 25. That given radius 25 with what? With what? With 15, Abby. So I have to come to the 15 and strike an arc this way, right? Arc this way, right? I'm done with the arc. Also, next up, I'll from this circle you are seeing, this bigger circle, right, has a diameter of 60, but I use radius of what? 30. You can divide by 2 to get radius. So 30 plus 25, I should have out there 55. So measure 55, 55, and come to this center here and call the arc. The arc cut at this point, right? Oh, sorry. Okay, at this point. So that point there, I'll not do gauging. You can see, I'll not do gauging, right? I'll not do a gauging this way. You can see. So this is the arc I have there. So I've gotten the first arc, that is this one. The second one, that is this one. The main one, this last one here, is easy, right? It's easy. How do you get it? This is the thing. I have to measure 1.8. Hold on. From where? Okay, here's the thing. This arc you are seeing, right, is not like an hungry tummy like you see here. Here's it. This one now is not like it's like a swell tummy. So for every a swell tummy, you minus. So here's the thing. I'll minus 180. The radius here is 180. You can see 180 is the radius. 180 minus 6. That should give what there? 174. 174. So measure 174. 70.4. 17.4. Year to year, 17.4. Right? As you can see. So I'll come to this point here. This one here. Right? Sorry, this one. And I'll strike the arc this way. Observe. This way. You can see. Strike the arc this way. Next up, so that's what I'm doing. So next up, I've drawn that way. Also, this 180. Subtract it from what? This circle is 30, Abby. So 180 minus 30. What I have there? 180 minus 30. What I have there? 150. So measure 150. 150. 150. Right, here to here is 150. So I'll come to this point here. I'll cut the arc. Sorry, I'll cut that arc and drew. So what they meet here, that's here. I'll now extend my compass this way and gauge it. You can see. Sorry, hold on. So I'll extend my compass at this point here, and what? And gauge it down this way. Right, you can see. Good. Compass is not good. Sorry, my compass is actually not stable very well. So I have this, right? So hold on. So just so I have this, right? Just use this way. So just ensure that you connect them that way. The compass is not stable, right? So it's just an urgent drawing that you ask me to do. So this is what we're having here. Observe, they're looking similar, right? So that's all. So just I'll just okay, perhaps the compass. I'll come here. I can thicken the circle very well because the drawing was thickened, right? I can just bolding the circle to make the work more neat, right? Just the way I did it. So sorry for the like multiple lines. It's because of this compass I'm using. It's an urgent drawing, so I don't have my equipment with me, so I have to just use one and do it. So come here to yeah, I can just stick in it. So this way, observe that they didn't close it up finish, so I'll just clean this part away. Similarly, this part did not show, just what? Just the curve here. So draw the curve outside very well. So you can see. So I'll just clean this one away. So this is like um what you're having here. So that's all. So this is how you get it done.